Hello everyone, welcome to the final challenge, real world telepathy test. Before we begin, just pause for a moment. Take a breath and notice how different your mind feels now compared to when you started this. Maybe a little calmer, a little more aware, a little more observant. That shift is what this final challenge is about. What this challenge is and isn't. This is not a test you pass or fail. It's not about proving anything to anyone. It's about experiencing your awareness in the real world, seeing how everything you have practiced come together naturally. The objective. Your goal is simple. Observe how well you can notice subtle cues, sense emotional states, predict responses, stay present during interaction. Not perfectly, just consciously. Choose one real life interaction. It could be a conversation with a friend, a family discussion, even a casual interaction. Now follow this process. Step 1. Prepare your state. Before the interaction, take a few slow breaths, calm your mind, set a simple intention. I'll stay aware and present. Step 2. Observe deeply. During the interaction, gently notice tone of voice, facial expressions, body language, emotional shifts. Don't analyze too much, just observe. Step 3. Sense and predict. At certain moments, ask yourself, what are they feeling right now? What might they say next? Notice your impressions. Step 4. Stay present. Avoid overthinking and forcing outcomes. Just stay with the conversation. And step 5. Reflect afterward. After the interaction, ask, what did I notice? What felt accurate? Where was I distracted? This is your feedback loop. Next is optional and advanced version. If you are comfortable, try a light version of sending. Hold a simple intention like calm or positivity. Stay relaxed. Observe if the interaction shifts. Again, no forcing, just awareness. What success will look like? Success is not perfect predictions, exact matches. Success is increased awareness, better understanding, more presence. Even a small improvement is meaningful. What you may realize is you might understand people more easily, you may react less impulsively, or your conversations feel smoother, and sometimes moments where you feel deeply in sync. Let's do a final reflection. Take a moment and ask yourself, how has my awareness changed through this journey? No need for a long answer, just notice. Before leaving, just a final thought. You didn't just learn concepts, you trained your mind to observe, focus, feel, and understand. And that's something you carry forward every day. So as you move ahead, keep practicing, stay curious, stay aware, because the real journey is not in the course, it's in your everyday life, and you are now ready for it. Congratulations, truly. You have done something meaningful. Thank you.